Next time, cook your chicken this way. The result is amazing and delicious. For this recipe, we're gonna need 1 onion. Cut it in half and then slice it. We're also gonna need 5 potatoes. Cut them in half, then slice each half. Now, add in a pan 1 kilogram of chicken cut into pieces. And you guys, I'm sure this is the easiest dinner recipe ever, made with simple and delicious ingredients. Try it at home. I'm sure you won't regret it. Season the chicken with salt, black pepper, dried garlic, oregano, some olive oil, mix using your hands. Take a moment to tell me where you're watching us from so that I can send you a huge hug and thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. For the next step, add the onion and the potatoes. Also add 1 pinch of salt and 1 pinch of black pepper. Mix again. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and comment below, "I love chicken." Finally, add 150 ml of cream cheese and spread it with a spoon. Cover the pan with aluminum foil. Put it in the oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Then remove the aluminum foil and cover the food with grated mozzarella cheese. Put it back in the oven for 15 more minutes or until cheese is browned. And our delicious recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm gonna reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.